Pwede pa rin siyang pang-mask, no? O, diba? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Roche, aka Binamags. In today's video, we are doing another G-strings, panty haul, sexy lingerie haul, see-through underwear haul. That's a lot of stuff. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to share with you two stuff right here, two items, and the weather is not cooperating, okay? Alright, so don't mind about the noise in the background. It's raining down here. It's pouring rain today, okay? So, let's move on to our first item for the day. Okay, what is it? Two items in my hand right here, okay? Ang super liit. Maliit, maliit, maliit. Ano ba ang nandito? Okay, it's been a while. I have not been filming a panty haul. Alright, you guys. Do you miss my panty haul? Alright, you guys. So, let's start off with this one. Since i-match ko na lang, no? Wait, purple pala to. Kala ko purple, colorblind pala to yung lola nyo. This panty haul, I got it from Shopee. Okay. So, what is our G-string? G-string ba to? We'll see. We'll figure it out. Okay, our first lingerie. Ta-da! Yes, definitely it's a G-strings. And also, it's a see-through. Oh, look at that, guys. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Oh. Ay, perfect talaga siya. Match talaga siya, guys. No? Para siyang, ano siya, maroonish, purplish, something like that, no? But, look at you guys. Maganda siya. I think this is from Miss Secret, I think. Okay, I still got it online shopping at Shopee. Alright, and prices is also affordable, less than 50 pesos. And I believe this is in a discount, budget friendly. Yes. Go ahead guys, do your online shopping at Shopee, and if you're interested, I'll let you know about the seller and comment below if you're interested. Alright, let's move on to the first lingerie. This is very sexy. You got this, material right here. Wow, it's really nice. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. So cute. Of course, it's long. Wow, it's very skinny, very tiny, you guys. And of course, you get two strings here. Like that. This is crafted really well. It's cute. I like the design. Of course, see-through right here. Wow, nice, pretty. Look at that here on the back side, guys. Oh, yeah, right. Nice, no? I do really like it. Wow, you are so sexy with this one. This is like honeymoon type. It is very pretty and sexy. Do you like this G-string sexy lingerie? Yes, I believe so. This is so pretty, guys. Watch na watch kami. I do like it. Very nice. Okay, guys, let's move on to the second and the last one for our haul for today. What is it? Oh, parang match to rin. I think this will match my outfit as well. Let's see. Let's move on. Of course, again, it's from Shopee online. Okay. Very convenient kasi when you do online. Alright. Oh, again, this is from a secret, I think. I'm not so sure, guys. It's been a while that. Ooh, wow, this is pretty. Ooh, wow. G-strings. Wow, look at that. You have to tie at both ends. Okay, very nice, guys. I do like it. Look at that. So pretty. You got embroidery here. Look at that, guys. Mm. Mhm. Pwede pa rin siyang pang mask, no? Mm. Di ba? Oh, nindot siya. It's very nice. Look at that. I like the lace, no? Embroidery type. Flowery siya. Okay. Thong. Of course. G-string again. Mahilig tayo sa G-strings. Kasi you really look sexy, no, nito. Right. This is still look considered bridal lingerie for me. Yeah, I got some, like white lace here and black. When it's the night of your honeymoon, better with either use two colors on it, black or white, whatever your preference. Mostly people do prefer white, but white kasi you can only like use it like once. When it's black, it's like all the you can wear it a lot of times. So I prefer black. But look at that. Yes, considered still bridal lingerie. Yes, sexy lingerie. This is a very nice underwear, you guys. Less than $1. Yeah, and then in the back, guys. Okay, you just have to tie it. I don't have to tie it, but you get the point, right? Alright, so here again, guys. See-through again. Diba? Makita kaya pa na yung kaugmaon. Nice siya. Alright, very nice. I really like the detail on this one. Can you see that? Diba? Very nice, you guys. I do like it. It's black, yes. My favorite color. Yes, would I recommend it? Yes. Go ahead and do your online shopping. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.